YouTube! As y'all can see, man, by the title and the thumbnail, man, we got a POV riding around with my AR, man. You know what I'm saying? In the hood, at that. In the hood, y'all. We is in one of the most dangerous, treacherous cities in America right now. We in East St. Louis, y'all. With that motherfucker on us, man. We got a little POV though in the hood. Who y'all know doing this, man? In the hood, though. It's crazy. I'm gonna ride with my traction off, y'all. What y'all think? Or a little bit of my traction off, because my tires is bald. Ooh, y'all hear that motherfucker? Y'all see they ass posted. They posted, y'all. They posted in the block, on the block, man. This what they do every day, though, all day, man. They just sit and chill in the parking lot until some shit go down. You know what I'm saying? Me, personally, I don't be out here like that because I don't got time for the drama. But to be out here doing something in the wrong place at the wrong time, y'all. So, y'all be safe out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Comment below where y'all from, man. If y'all from St. Louis, if y'all from Iowa, nigga, if y'all from Atlanta, comment below where y'all from. And I'm gonna keep doing these type of videos, man. Somebody told me keep dropping POV videos. That's my homie right there in the cat. I'm finna pull up on him. I'm finna pull up on him. See if I can catch his ass at the light. He in a cat though, so I don't know. We gonna see. Shit like he done left me, y'all. I'm finna pick y'all back up. Hold on. As y'all can see though, POV with a Hellcat. POV with a Hellcat. This is my boy Don though right here. Fastest cat in the city, hands down. Not gonna lie. See if I can get y'all a flyby. Cut up for the YouTube! God! Cut up for the YouTube! That motherfucker so fast, y'all. That shit so fast, y'all. He on a tire. I ain't gonna lie though. I feel like I can mod this motherfucker and at least keep up a little bit more. That motherfucker so fast, y'all. If you think you want a Hellcat, y'all, I'm telling you, don't get it. You might wrap that bitch up. That motherfucker is too much power for y'all, man. Too much power, y'all. And I'm in eco mode. He just turned this tune on. Damn! Y'all ain't leaving me. Y'all ain't leaving me. And we going 130. He probably going like 160, y'all. Man, as y'all can see though, man, my boy in that fast shit. I'm trying to get like him, y'all. If y'all like this video, I get one too. I get a cat too. You just gotta like the video. We back in the lose, so I need to do a U-turn real quick, y'all. If you don't do U-turns like that in the Hemi, then I don't know what the fuck you doing. I know one thing though, my damn wire on my tire just came off. So I need to take my ass to the crib, man. That motherfucker definitely just came off. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Damn! One thing about these cars, y'all, they expensive. Like, if you want one of these, y'all, you gonna burn through tires, man. And me personally, I don't like putting cheap tires on my car. But if I know I'm gonna keep burning through them, I'm gonna get the cheap tires and shit. But like, tires on these cars is like $300 each. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta keep that like in mind if you're trying to get one of these. Is tires gonna be $300 each, and you really gonna just be replacing the back too. So $600 probably a month coming just from tires. If you daily driving this motherfucker, it's probably gonna cost you like a good $800 or like $600-800, depends, because it costs like $60-70 for a fill up, and you gonna fill this bitch up probably 2-3 times a week, especially if you daily in it. So it's four weeks in a month, 4 times 3. You looking at like you looking at like 12 times 60. I don't really know, y'all. I dropped out of college, so I don't really know. But anyways, you're going to be spending that bread, y'all, for sure, for sure. You're definitely going to be spending over $600 in gas, $600 on tires, and your car note alone, your insurance alone. You know what I'm saying? If you get a good deal, man, you probably get one of these for like $600 a month. Insurance probably going to be high as hell because you're young. So you're really looking at like $2 a month for one of these cars, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, like real shit. Like, and I got 2 cars, y'all, so I'll break down the price and shit like in another video. But yeah, man, I need to get to the crib though, cause my tire fucked up, and y'all seen the title on the thumbnail. I can't be riding around like that with the tire fucked up. So let me get to the crib. Probably finna end the video, y'all, cause there ain't too much going on in the city, yo. Ain't too much going on in the city, man. Comment below what y'all want me to drop next. What kind of video y'all want? Like, y'all want to know, how do I afford multiple cars at 21? Do y'all want to know how have I bought 2 SRTs at 20? I mean, actually at 19, because I bought my first SRT at 19. Bought my second one at like 20. I'm 21 now, y'all. So y'all want me to give y'all a little video about how I bought 2 SRTs at a young age, man? I'll do a video on that. You know what I'm saying? Just comment below. I got y'all, man. Just comment below what y'all want me to do, though. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want me to go to car meets, I'll go to car meets. Y'all want other things, like, other than car content, I got y'all, too, because I think I'm finna do a series with girls. Basically, just taking girls on dates, basically, you know what I'm saying? Seeing which one the one. So I'm trying to find the one. You feel me? But we back in the hood, man. We back in the trenches, for real. We back in 89 blocks. Where the killers and the robbers and shit at, man. If y'all ever come to East St. Louis, man, ain't shit here. We got a couple clubs, we got a couple strip clubs, and we got a bunch of gangbangers. So if that's what you want to be around, then that's the city for you. But if that's not what you want to be around, take your ass to St. Louis. And yes, East St. Louis is in Illinois, y'all. So if you didn't know, now you know. How y'all road race? If you got a Scat or a Cat or a Mustang or whatever you got, how do y'all road race? What do y'all do? Like, do y'all use y'all paddle shifters? You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I don't use my paddles because I just feel like they're inaccurate than a motherfucker. But I do go to manual mode to downshift to get the best pull that I can get from a 40 roll, 30 roll, or whatever. I usually drop down to like 2nd, 3rd gear. But this how I do it, y'all. I'm finna show y'all how I do it. Y'all. So you drop it down to like 2nd gear. I'm gonna get it to like 40 miles per hour. And then you hit it. And then you throw it back in auto. And that motherfucker just gonna get gone, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear that motherfucker whining on camera, but my airbox is crazy on the 392, y'all. I got some mods coming to the car, though. We is gonna do either headers or catless mid pipes. I don't know which one yet. We will be going forged internals, pro charger. That's if I don't take the money and buy a cat. But just depends on how I'm feeling, y'all. Just depends on how I'm feeling. Let's see if y'all can hear the whine. Type shit. Y'all gotta get one of these, man. They done making them, so y'all gotta get y'all one, man. These motherfuckers is fun. If you're watching this and you're young, I promise you can do it. I'm on my second SRT and I'm only 21. And I got a Hemi G. You know what I'm saying? The baby SRT, the baby Hawk. So you can do it, man. Don't tell me you can't. It's the summertime. You need to be coming down a block like that, y'all. And that motherfucker. If I don't see y'all popping out like that, man, what y'all watching me for? I'm supposed to be the motivation. Y'all supposed to go do it. But that's gonna end the video, y'all. Y'all go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next video. It's your boy SRTAJ. I'm out.
I was 19 years old with 500,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with... Look, I kick it with a thought. If she really in the class to win. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm signed. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG and